What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hey girl, hey. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And if you're not already, sis, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Theharelife and Theharelife Official. So you guys, today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I installed this beautiful curly V-part wig from Nadula hair. Thank you guys for sponsoring this video. Y'all, this install took all of like 5 minutes. So we're going to get right into it. Okay, so y'all saw what the curls look like before, and this is after I washed the unit. I deep conditioned it and I let it dry in my dryer. It took probably about like an hour and a half to dry in my dryer. So my hair is braided down. However, you guys do see that I have some leave out at the top. I had some other V-part wigs that I had to install, so I did not want to revert my hair. So I'm like, you know what? Let me just like lay this down to the side and try to do the no leave out method. So the key to installing these V-parts with no leave out is getting it as close as possible to your part. So you want to make sure you're installing those clips as close as possible to your part. So I did not have my big mirror in front of me. You guys can see me looking at my viewfinder on my camera, and I have like a little small mirror in front of me. So I did have to go off camera and try to get it as close as possible. But that's literally the key. And then like teasing your roots a little bit so you can kind of cover up that line of demarcation. But they are definitely possible to install with no leave out for sure. I do want to mention when I washed the hair, like it was really, really soft. And curly hair, all curly hair, you guys, is going to shed some. And it was minimum shedding, nothing crazy. As long as it's not like falling out in clumps, you're good. So it was really, really soft. I absolutely love this curl pattern. I feel like this is perfect for spring break, and the summer is rapidly approaching. So this will be very, very quick and easy and really cute for the summertime. So yeah, you just want to make sure, like I said, install those combs as close as possible. And I'm just throwing some light layers. I don't want to take off like too much length. I just did very, very light layers just to give it a little bit of shape. And I'm going to show you guys what it looks like all big and stuff, how I like. But I also wanted to define the curls for you guys so you can see how it looks. So y'all let me know down below. Do you prefer the kind of untamed big hair look, or do you like your curls more tamed and defined? Let me know down below. So to define the curls, I'm going to be using my favorite foaming mousse by Lace by Ash. I'll leave a link for you guys. And I'm just pumping some into my hands, and I'm going to just run it all through the hair. I did not use a brush, nothing at all, just my fingers. And you guys are going to see how well the curls defined. The hair is also 100% dry, you guys. That's one thing I love about this mousse. You can apply it to wet or dry hair. It doesn't matter. And it's not going to take a long time to dry it off versus you like drenching the hair in water, applying a product, and then having to wait for it to dry. This dried up super fast and kept the curls nice and defined. Like, oh y'all, I'm literally obsessed with this curl pattern. It is so beautiful. So that's all I did. I did some scrunching and I just defined those curls. You guys can see how pretty it looks. And yeah, you just want to make sure like you apply it to all of the hair, evenly distributed. And that is it, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you've tried a V-part or if you would try one. Let me know, and let me know how you guys like this one, and leave any other video suggestions down below. I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.